In this guide, you'll build an issue tracking portal that lets tenants, customers, or end users report problems and track resolution, all connected to your Airtable base. Create your free CollabPortals account. Connect your Airtable base where you track issues, maintenance requests, and resolution status. Each data table needs a linked record field pointing to your contacts table, so CollabPortals can filter records per user. Create a portal called Issue Tracker and select your issue tracking base. Configure the portal by choosing the contacts table for authentication and the email field for login. On the Issues table, enable View, Create, and Edit access so users can report new issues and update their own submissions. Each user automatically only sees their own issues. Show title, category, status, and priority. Hide internal notes, vendor details, and cost fields. Here's the user experience: a simple login page where they enter their email to access the portal. After logging in, users see their reported issues with clear status indicators: open, in progress, and resolved. They can log new issues directly, and each one flows straight into your Airtable base. Share the portal link with tenants or customers. They log in with their email. No Airtable account needed. Your issue tracking portal is ready. Start your free trial at CollabPortals.com.